Colonized.
Hey, welcome back, Epic Gamers here. Today we are doing
Our survival world.
part 2 of it.
We've actually done tons of it, but I learned today that Ethan deleted all of them.
They were horrible because we completely failed.
Which is why, in case you're wondering, when you look around, there's also stuff for a viewing outside and stuff in my grave outside, because during the last one I died.
Today Bryson's joining us again.
He got it again. He literally seconds ago he figured out how to find them. My tablet's dead, so
Hunter's here with us, but he's not able to play. His device
show
is
them
gone.
my grave, Ethan. This is my grave. Ethan, go in my grave.
Why?
Because you are dead.
Mm.
We should have actually put a bed there. Oh,
Okay, so today we should do some mining.
that's where. Yeah, we've already done. That's not. Yes, that's our mine. Oh, yeah. We also during this period we actually found and did a dungeon. Of course, this is the first time Bryson's been on this world. Say hello, Bryson.
We don't have any good.
Speak, Bryson. Speak. We
Bye,
got
Piggy.
iron.
Oh yeah.
I've got iron armor. You guys wasted your armor. Iron. You both made the same thing.
What do you mean?
You both. Or,
I don't
But
understand.
yeah, we've gotten tons of stuff from fishing as well. We pull with our fishing rods. We've gotten 3 enchanted fishing poles, and apparently Colin got an enchanted bow with fire aspect and stuff. No, actually, most of this was my work, but digging it.
Yeah, because I was busy building.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure you guys would rather watch building instead of mining.
Well, it depends if it's the excitement.
You know, there's tons of coal right there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You're
I
seeing
see your
Bryson's
eyeball.
eyes.
I will go. We need some
You should go
torches,
this
man.
way.
I'll go this way.
I don't care about you. I'm joking.
Lots of coal right here.
Oh, we also in case our audio, you think our audio is better, we just got a new microphone, thanks to courtesy of Ethan.
Still have to buy that 1 terabyte
I know.
external drive. Oh, bedrock. Yeah.
Yeah, diamonds. Do we even have iron?
We have a lot of iron actually.
Why did you have a pick? Actually, I think I used mine to make a pick. I have an iron pick, I know. You guys made buckets.
Buckets.
Put holes in them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Colin just left.
7,
Literally.
8, 9, 10.
I wasn't doing anything. It doesn't matter. You guys can do that.
Do I go back to my house and play Wii U edition?
Your house too later.
No, it's not.
By the time I get there, go.
Maybe.
Times are out.
Okay, you guys should stop talking.
Almost 12.
Well, nobody else is talking. Otherwise, there's just a big awkward silence.
You can't hear
Yeah, that's
anybody.
kind of the point.
You can't hear anybody with microphones like that.
Is Bryson
No, they
look
can
up
hear you.
a bit?
Yeah, Bryson's right there.
Don't watch the others.
No, you ask that every single time I come
Ethan,
here.
how did you get up?
Why don't you want it though?
Oh, I went to bedrock and
Okay,
went straight up.
Cat.
Why don't you want it though, Hunter?
I just did. What?
Okay, let's.
Says the man who's like, no, I don't want to watch the Talking Team episode.
Well, I thought it was gonna be a lot more scarier than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a lot more scary.
I was all for watching it,
Ooh, lava.
and you're just like, I'm trying to watch it.
Oh wait, no, gosh, I said lava. This is water. I don't know why I said that.
Why is there no light?
There is light.
Or where's the light coming from, I should say?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, it's one of those weird
Oh,
questions.
there's obsidian right there. So there's lava around here.
Yeah, but the lava's not showing.
Bloody awesome.
You guys know that this conversation that just happened here is gonna be recorded,
Mm-hmm.
so everybody's gonna hear us talk about the Twilight and stuff.
Who cares?
It's the Twilight Zone. Piano.
Oh yeah, like when
No, I have money.
somebody said Little did he know.
I
Oh
found
yeah,
a huge
little did
lava
he know.
pool.
Bryson had just entered the Twilight Zone. Colin, show Bryson your weird arm trick.
You didn't know.
I know, we'll freak him out. Bryson, watch. Colin's
Who
shoulder.
knows?
Still, I want to freak him out more.
Oh, you're made of fire. Go stand up.
Okay,
Yeah.
since there's weird conversations going on right now, and I'm just mining, I'll pause it and we'll be back when we find something interesting.
I found something.
red.
Okay, we're back
And
at the
then it's
surface.
official. Bryson is Wolverine. He just fell in
Well,
lava.
look at his
hopped out,
clothes.
And he was in his life was going up instead of down.
Look at
Hey,
his
you
look at his
bloody
clothes.
son of a
Like he can. This is my bed, silly. You're on the other side.
Bryson, don't you dare get in my bed. Get out of my bed.
No,
Oh yeah, you guys are supposed to close the coffin lids. Too,
it
right?
doesn't matter. I don't even know why they're there. It's pretty dumb.
Because they're coffins.
Oh yeah, I got bottle of water. Oh, there's my iron pickaxe.
Hunter, let's go.
Hey,
I should keep
could
that
I have
with
a
me.
fishing rod by any chance?
Just take one from someone's chest besides mine.
You want more toes though? You have leopard.
I can't get the chest
Maybe.
open.
Sure, let's go.
Just because it has a sign on
I
it.
can't even sneak here for a full up.
No, you. Oh, here's a fishing rod right here.
5:36.
Okay, I'll come and get that.
Okay, go fishing. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Hold on. Just close it. There we go. Sorry about that. Let's see. I'm gonna get a stone pickaxe. Make actually a couple stone pickaxes. We don't have a lot of wood in this area. A lot of wood with us. Gosh. Keep forgetting the correct table's right here.
Alright, I'm gonna attack a boat. If I can find one. You should eat one of them pufferfish. Yes, Susan.
If you wanna die. Actually. I gotta make some torches. But I need more sticks. I'm gonna go mining with all my buttload of pickaxes.
I'm gonna see if I can get you guys' famous enchanted items. It'd be awesome if I got a fully enchanted diamond sword. Every single enchantment at its highest level. I think that would be pretty legendary. Right, let's bloody one can do this.
Gold's not that important.
Where's mommy?
Hey, we're back. No luck finding anything besides iron, a lot of cobblestone. Bryson is trying to have his luck on fishing. He's not doing so good either.
2 raw salmon and a raw fish. About it.
Well, I'm gonna go join him out there and then we'll finish up here pretty soon. Oh, now it's raining. So Bryson, my fishing rod has Unbreaking 3 and Lure 2. So I can fish better. There you go, I saw a fish. That's all you get is raw.
Sometimes
baffles me how you guys even got that.
I know, it was very surprising too. I got this enchanted. Oh, I just got another bottle of water. I got this enchanted fishing pole from fishing, and now I have 2 bottles of water from fishing. String, really? This is the first time I've ever gotten string.
It's funny how I actually didn't realize fishing could be.
Rotten flesh. These are some weird things I'm getting. Oh, I lost it. Raw fish. Another raw fish. Another raw fish. Another one. This isn't one of the more successful fishing trips, like just getting items instead of fish, but this is decent. Getting some good fish and also some more stuff.
Not one bloody bite. Not even a single bubble.
Well, I have lure too, so I can attract them.
Dang it. Dang it. Bubbles, of course this came, and then I missed my chance.
Oh, I got leather. No armor though. Another fish.
Just for.
We'll switch spots. I'll help fish over here.
Go ahead and break your line. Let's go over here.
Here comes some bubbles. Another fish.
What's going on with my pole?
I wish I could get diamonds from fishing. That'd be cool, and also weird, like just how it gets attached. What if you could get like a bottle with a message in it?
That would be cool.
Yeah, and like it has coordinates to a secret place in there or something, or a tip.
Dang it.
Or like blocks.
Sorry, Mike, he's spamming me.
Did you tell what we're doing?
Mm-mm.
Well, you should.
Dang it. Now it won't let me get my thing back and the stupid button's not working.
Well, we'll be back when I get back to the house, and we'll end it there. Okay, we're gonna end it here. So first I'll show you my spoils of war. I got 7 raw salmon, 13 raw fish, rotten flesh, piece of string, leather, bone, and a bottle of water. Bryson's still out there, over there. He got a puffer fish, that's all I know, and a bunch of
Puffer
fish.
4 raw fish, 3 raw salmon. That's about it.
I was hoping for more, but
I guess I'll
that's what we got.
save my worries.
so we'll see you guys in part 3 of this video. Check out our last video, which was the Mega Dropper part 2, and we'll see you guys later. We'll talk to you guys later then.
Yep.
Bye.